Greetings, tech investigators. This is Mystery Curtain with your next big review. We'll power up the latest gadget, put it through its paces, and uncover whether it's a game changer or just another overhyped toy. With Samsung's latest premium tablet lineup this year, the first impression when holding the Galaxy Tab S11 is immediately noticeable. Thanks to its compact size and lightweight build, the device weighs just 469 grams and measures a slim 5.5 millimeters in thickness, creating a level of comfort that users will appreciate during long sessions of reading, drawing, or working. This balance of portability and performance makes it an ideal choice for those who prefer a smaller, more mobile form factor over the oversized Ultra variant. Despite the slim profile, the overall design does not deviate much from its predecessor. The Tab S11 sports a refined metal back panel with the Samsung logo, aligned neatly beneath the rear camera, projecting a professional aesthetic. On the right-hand side, when held vertically, are the power button, volume rockers, and integrated fingerprint sensor, while the bottom edge accommodates a USB-C charging port and a set of symmetrical speakers. The top edge hosts an additional speaker strip, providing immersive sound. One subtle yet valuable improvement is the redesigned S Pen, which now resembles a pencil with a hexagonal barrel that feels more natural to hold. This change gives the stylus a lighter, more comfortable grip, improving both writing and sketching experiences. The S Pen attaches magnetically to the side of the tablet, ensuring convenient access whenever creativity or productivity strikes. Moving to the display, the Galaxy Tab S11 carries an 11-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. The screen offers sharp visuals, vivid colors, and peak brightness up to 1600 nits, making it suitable even for outdoor use under strong sunlight. Unlike the Ultra version, the bezels here are slightly thicker, but the design choice eliminates the need for notches or cutouts, resulting in a cleaner, uninterrupted viewing experience. On the camera front, Samsung takes a pragmatic approach, offering a single 13 megapixels rear sensor equipped with improved image signal processing to enhance clarity and color accuracy, while the front-facing 12 megapixel sensor handles video calls and selfies. The camera system is not designed to rival flagship smartphones, but it remains perfectly capable for online meetings, scanning documents, and casual photography. Performance is where the Galaxy Tab S11 shows its strength. Powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 chipset, this shift away from Qualcomm represents a strategic decision to balance performance with cost efficiency. Paired with 12 GB of RAM, the tablet easily handles demanding tasks, multitasking, and creative applications. Samsung Dex receives a major update this year, allowing users to manage up to 4 distinct workspaces simultaneously, whether dedicated to business projects, creative endeavors, or personal organization. Users can also extend Dex across multiple displays for seamless drag-and-drop multitasking between screens, making it a powerful tool for professionals on the go. Running on One UI 8, the Galaxy Tab S11 integrates AI features deeply into the user experience. The AI can analyze input in real time, offering smart suggestions for text, notes, and creative projects. Tools such as Drawing Assist can refine rough sketches into polished artwork, while Note Assistant adjusts writing style and tone for professional communication. Combined with long-term support, including Samsung's commitment to 7 years of OS updates, the Tab S11 promises not just immediate performance but also future-proof reliability. Powering all of this is an 8400 mAh battery, smaller compared to some rivals, but sufficient to last a full workday or more depending on usage patterns. Charging is supported at up to 45W via USB-C, ensuring reasonably fast top-ups that minimize downtime. Taken together, the Galaxy Tab S11 is a compact, yet powerful device that blends portability with advanced features. From its lightweight design and bright AMOLED display to the new S Pen, enhanced Samsung Dex, and AI-driven software, it offers a refined experience tailored to productivity, creativity, and entertainment. Starting at $820, it represents a premium option for those who value mobility without compromising performance, standing as one of the most well-rounded tablets Samsung has ever delivered.